Assalamualaikum and good day to my panel. Today, we want to present our final year project about interactive still face diagram for teaching and learning purpose. Before that, let me introduce our group mate. The first one is Ummu Aiman binti Muhammad Azhar. The second one is Nurliana Mat Saad. Third one is Siti Khadijah binti Abdul Muttalib. The last one is Siti Nuftra binti Shukri. This is our supervisor. Name is Puan Zanida binti Itnem from Mechanical Engineering Department. We continue for the list of content. Background. The product created by our team is to make it easily for students to remember and understand the concept of learning involving visual interactive. This product spend up time, make it easy for lecturer to come up with clear, colourful information and each student in reading. The benefit of this product are lightweight, durable and easy to operate. In our opinion, this product can assist lecturer in improving student understanding through exposure to analysis data in diagram rather than reading comprehension theory. In addition, this product includes several formula for students to find the information and value they need. Problem statement. The problem statement before is the student have difficult understanding the concept of diagram and have difficulty finding information through reading theory. So, students are less interested in reading and searching for information in paragraph. That's why we do this project. For the reading method requires focus and take a long time to obtain accurate information and is difficult to obtain a clear understanding of the visual method. This is our objective of project. The first one is to design a teaching and learning kit to facilitate the process in the class. Second, the develop strength for material polymer metacrylic. The last but not least is to evaluate the simplify the recall process among the student. Scope of project. The first one is to help lecturer engage student in understanding the concept of diagram and presentation in a short time. Second, to ensure the polymer are maintained at temperature about the second order transition temperature to prevent creasing. Third, to ensure the strategic position and convenience of the information is delivered to the student and lecturer. Next, to help attract student attention through visual and to facilitate learning at still face diagram topic. AC regular control the hot temperature in the project for a long time. The last but not least is to ensure the student can remember in a short time during testing.
Okay, so let's continue for the next chapter, which is literature review. So based on E.W. Russell agreement, he stated that temperature can cause creasing on the surface if the mobility of the molecule is reduced. Next, Hawker Aircraft states that elastic strain removal is due to heat treatment by moving the breakthrough structure in ordinary material to design, improve, and install the structure. Next, based on B. Kosman's agreement, he stated that creasing will be produced in the event of a tension pressure and solvent vapor. So, for expected result, the perspex used is durable and has high durability after modifying the installation and maintenance method. So, about base. Based on Hogan C. Michael 2012, oak wood is prized in furniture making as well as in flooring and cabinetry because its durability, workability, and natural beauty. Next, based on Canadian Journal of Botany, generally, a good choice in terms of eco-friendly lines because it's durable, which keeps it out of landfill, and it's a biodegradable. So it also have a good density. That's why we use it. So for the expected result, the materials mentioned in the literature review can strengthen the opinion of the material used in the project. Okay, next about display. Based on Dr. Alexander Babbage and Prof. Data Singlet, important to display the fully color image. LED uses light emitting diodes for backlight, have superior picture quality with varying backlight configuration. LED more to concept of reflection image. So for the expected result, this section should give a good indication of what we expect to get out of the research. It should join the data analysis and possible outcomes to the theory and questions that you have raised. It will be a good place to summarize and significance of the work. So, next about controller. AC electric motor in which the electric current in the rotor needed to produce torque in induced by electromagnetic induced from the magnetic field of the stator winding. Next, Benjamin Franklin stated that the direction of the magnetic field created will be such as to oppose the change in current through the rotor winding. For the expected result, this section should give a good indication of the research.
My name is Siti Khadijah binti Abdul Muttalib, registration number 01DKM18F1023. I would like to continue our slide with methodology. Okay, here I state that our display has a finance cache development, and I will to continue the presentation with the entire methodology method throughout the production of our product. Okay, first starting with find and buy item each part of product for our project. Second, create a project base with wooden solid turntable bearing. Third, create cuboid box as a body project which using perspex and put mirror in angle 45 degrees into the cuboid. Fourth, combine the base under cuboid, then place the controller inside the cuboid at the end of the corner. Then, place the projector in a parallel to the mirror to create a reflection concept so as to create a 3D visual result. Next, open the regulator switch to be the power supply to the project. Then, open the spatial application for learning purpose of steel paste diagram. Connect via phone, just through with Wi-Fi. And lastly, the project are ready to display our product. This is our procedure. First, we have a project base. Second, place the cuboid box with 45 degrees plane on the base. Third, regulator switch will be installed inside the cuboid. Fourth, we add on projector to the product. And lastly, we open and connect via phone while it will display our spatial application. Our actual cost project, we have a 4-part main in our project. First, we have a material. Second, we have a base. And third, display. And fourth is controller. Okay. In a material, we have a perspex, which is A3 and A2. The quantity is 4. And the price for A3 is 52 ringgit 80 sen. And the A2 like 106 ringgit. And then we have a glue acrylic. That's why is we buy one quantity. The price is 14 ringgit 50 sen. A cutter, the price is 4 ringgit 80 sen. And then we buy acrylic log and inches. We buy 2 quantity. The price is 2 ringgit 90 sen. And the total is 7 ringgit 80 sen. And then we get a tinted. The quantity is 1. The price is 60 ringgit. And the last one is Manila paper kite. The quantity is 1. The price is 7 ringgit pipe base, we use wooden solid turntable bearing. The quantity is 1 and the price is RM67. Next, display. We buy LED mini projector. The quantity is 1 and the price is RM293.12. We use voltage regulator thyristor electric variable speed controller. The quantity is 1 and the price is RM45.90. The total of our product is RM655.02.
Alright, I continue our presentation with my slide. Okay, my name is Ummu Aiman binti Muhammad Zahar. My register number 01DKM18F1002. We continue with chapter 5 is result. Okay, look at our slide is a video demonstration of our result about our project. Okay, the next is chapter 6 is analysis data. Okay, we use the method measuring the distance on the percentage length to the wall. Then determine the fixed yield distance to be used on the product. Our group encountered a problem while using 45-degree plane. It is because the distance of the display to the wall has been affected. We try to improve performance with the tinted installation and construction of holes and color box to support the product. If continue to want to increase the highest, balance might be taken into account and damage to the resulting display as well as blurring is still unavoidable. Alright, we continue the chapter 7 discussion. In our discussion of project of interactive steel paste diagram for teaching and learning purpose shows that appropriate to the problem faced by student and lecturer. Although our project only used a few items at very reasonable cost price, but it can solve a big problem more easily and interestingly. In addition, our project also has the privilege where our project can operate well. Although there are some shortcomings, for the example, we don't have any data to connect the phone via Wi-Fi, but don't worry, it can still use via Bluetooth. Not only that, our project also have the ability to control large amount of their power efficiently, controlling speed, light dimming, and industrial heating. So, with the material we use, our product can save energy and also can use for a long time. Okay, Thank you. Alright, I pass the next slide to the Norliana to continue the next slide. In conclusion, based on our study, this product can help lecturer engage students in understanding the concept of diagram and presentation in a short time. The still face diagram is one of the subtopics that is difficult to understand, which our project design that fit the ability not only student but also lecturer can save time and energy while bringing teaching and learning tools lesson. Not only that, our product is also one of the design that has attract the attention of student because our product has a lot of visualization compared to work. The visual is 3D visual. Our product also can track student whether they focus on using a test out or quiz at the end of a lesson.
Last but not least is reference. Here the list of links that we do some research for each part of our project. Thank you very much.